Hi, welcome all. Now we are going to see how we can integrate Apache Maven for Windows 10. So Apache Maven it requires JDK also. So before installation of Apache Maven, just make sure that Java is installed in your system properly or not. So for doing that, just go to your command prompt and just check your Java version. Just type the Java hyphen version. Yeah, so I have already installed GDK 11. So it's installed, so there is not a problem. So for now, we are going to download the Apache Maven from Apache website. So just go to Apache website here, and if you are using Windows, so just download your binary file here, zip. Then if you are using Linux or some other thing, you can download this tar file, tar.zz. Since I have already downloaded and I kept in local here. So once you extract, it will be like Apache Maven in 3.6.3. Then inside this, you have bin folder and all your setting.xml config file will be inside this config folder. So now we need to set the environment variable for this Apache Maven. For that, just go to your system variable and edit that. So edit the system variable now, and go to Advanced tab, then Environment variable. Then here you can see that Maven home I have already set. Maven home, it is pointing to see my root folder of Apache Maven, which is nothing but till this point. Then we need to edit the path also. So just go to path here and edit. You can see here I have already make one more entry here. So Maven home slash bin. So inside this Maven home root folder, there will be bin file will be there. So we need to point this directory. So once everything is set up, then now you can check the whether the Maven is installed properly or not. For doing that, just type Maven hyphen version. So this will check the Maven if it is installed properly or not. Just enter. Yeah, now it is installed properly. So it's we have installed Apache Maven 3.6.3 and which uses Java. Earlier we set up this. So this is how we can install Apache Maven in Windows. Thank you very much.